effects that you guys are free to use. Alright. Number one sound effect. Number two sound effect. Number three sound effect. Number four sound effect. Number five sound effect. The number six sound effect. The final sound effect. Epic entrance. Da-da! Boom! Actually, boom.